If you want to start making money with your app, Lovable makes it really simple. For example, you can ask it to integrate Stripe and set up a free trial for new users. Let's say we want people to try the app free for 5 days and then pay $5 a month. Lovable will guide us through connecting our Stripe account by adding the secret key, and once that's authenticated, it automatically creates the subscription flow for us. The first thing you'll see is a prompt to enter your Stripe-restricted API key. This key allows Lovable to connect securely with your Stripe account and manage payments on your behalf. Once you paste the key and click Submit, Lovable will finish the integration. After that, your app will have a working subscription flow, including the free trial logic, monthly billing, and authentication handled by Stripe. You don't need to code anything. Lovable takes care of the back-end setup so you can focus on your app features. And that's how you enable Stripe and Lovable to start charging for your project.